Hey, Conrad Rensburg.
Hey, Jack Marrano.
I've just been reading about our lecture for Argen on Saturday at 10:30 to noon in Grand Ballroom, CD North.
I was just actually working on our presentation for Argen's meeting and thought to myself, are we just going to do another boring presentation this year? Wonder what else we can do.
I don't know.
Whoa! What are those? I believe these are 3D glasses, Jack Marrano.
Let's put them on!
You already have them on.
Because they're so comfortable you can't even tell you're wearing them.
And they're going to make our presentation shine.
What do they do?
They make things put in 3D.
Awesome.
Whoa! If you want to see something really cool this year at LMT Chicago, join us Saturday morning, 10:30 to 12 at Argen's booth, somewhere in the bottom. I don't forgot. You do realize, Jack Marrano, this has never been done before.
Up till now.
See you there.